What's up, guys? You know it's your boy $100. We are back with another video.
Who do you think you are? Trying to take my shine. They know dang well you ain't $100. Shoot, get out of here. You the fake $100. You don't want to be $100. Anyway, what's up, guys? It's your boy $100. And we're back again with another video. I know I've been away for a while, but now I'm back and we're here with another banger. So today, we're going to be trying Filipinese, however you say it, snacks, right? So my aunt bought me this snack crate, right? From snackcrate.com. And it got snacks from Filipino. I mean, Philippines. Philippines, yeah, from the Philippines. All right. So you ready to eat?
Yep.
I'm ready to eat too. All right, so first we got, say who you are.
I'm Jaden.
Jaden, okay. Your relation, you're my little brother.
I'm Jaden, translate $100's little brother.
That's who he is. Okay, so we got this dried mangoes. It says tear here. Okay, it says Philippine brand dried mangoes, naturally delicious. Oh, I'm sweating. It's hot. It's hot.
It's hot.
Okay. Here. I got sugar on it. Ooh. Okay. It's hard to chew this.
Really good.
I don't like it. It's nasty. All right, next we got Skyquake crackers. It's sweet milk flavored. Sweet milk flavor. He don't like milk, but I mean, like, you gotta drink your milk because you're short. You need some milk. Ooh. Here. And don't eat it yet. We're gonna try it at the same time. Oh, this stings. It smells like rotten milk. Gross.
No, I can't try this.
You have to.
Oh my god.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
No.
Ew, it tastes like, have y'all had those, have y'all had those jelly beans? Have y'all had those jelly beans from the, what do they call it?
Bean Boozled.
Yeah, Bean Boozled. Have you had the rotten milk one? That's what that tastes like. Ugh, that is so disgusting. Ugh. Okay. Okay, now we got the same brand Skyquake Specter, but chocolate flavored. I'm kind of scared to try this one after eating that. That's so nasty.
It might taste like you.
Filipino people, how do y'all eat that? That's y'all wrong for that. Ew. Okay, they smell like chocolate. It's chocolate flavored, so that doesn't smell like chocolate. Right here. Oh my gosh. Oh, you ready? Let's go. Now let's do cheers. Cheers. Oh, I completely forgot about the smack or whack. Okay, so we're gonna start rating these foods, smack or whack. So the dried mangoes, it was whack.
Smack.
That was definitely whack. That's the nastiest thing I've ever had in my life. Okay, you ready? This is whack. It's nasty. You like it? So what are you rating it? Smack or whack?
Wow.
Whack. Skyquake, I don't know what y'all doing. This stuff is nasty. That needs to stop. Alright, so right here, ooh, it's bent. We got classic Lala, LA. Anywho, milk chocolate. So I'm guessing this is like the Hershey's of the Philippines. So, I mean, that chocolate is nasty. So this chocolate is probably gonna be nasty right here. Wait, Jaden. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Whack.
This is whack. The chocolate is dry. Like, it's, no, it's dry. Alright. Next we got the Cocoa Burst. Quake, whatever. So it says it has chocolate filling in it.
No. That don't taste whack.
Okay, it says it has chocolate filling in it. And like, it's supposed to burst in your mouth. So like, we finna see. It smells like chocolate. Okay. I'm gonna break this and like, give you like a biscuit. Oh my. Okay. Okay. Oh. Bro, you gonna say something? You wanna talk to the camera?
Guys. Hi.
Hi. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah, that's good. That's smack. Woo. Smack. I think this is the last chocolate thing, but it's a cocoa soaked snack. Sponge crunch. Ugh. They got a nasty aftertaste.
Yeah.
It tastes like fake, whatever. Alright, you ready? Take one. Take one too, okay. That's smack. This is, I'm sorry.
Nasty.
It's not nasty. I already know the smack. That is smack. Eat it. It's good. You ain't got no taste. Alright, next we got bread. I mean toast. It says Prima Toast Classic. Alright. So it's a little toast in the bag, I guess. I don't know. Oh, okay. I think I'm right here. Why I smell like that?
Oh no.
I'm scared to eat this.
Yes, we.
It's like a little toast. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Just salty.
Where's the trash can at?
James.
Give me the trash can. Oh Lord, what in the world?
Give it. Move.
What is they doing? No, just go. We don't need that big old thing over here. No. Okay, that is nasty. What was they thinking? You want to try this one? All right, so next we got Boy Bawang Cornick. Boy Bawang Cornick. Boy Bawang Cornick. Oh, it says it's corn, I'm guessing, and it's adobo flavor. I don't know what adobo tastes like, but we can see. We finna eat this one first because I don't trust this. This one. Okay. Ooh, this is scary. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Smack.
Whack. Have y'all had Fritos, like the chili ones, the chili Fritos? That's what this tastes like, but like off brand.
Whack.
You over here eating them, and
No.
you gonna say whack?
When we eat too much, that's nasty.
When you eat too much? I don't know.
Don't try it.
This is okay. I mean, it's not the best. It's okay. Oops, it's getting all over the table. You wanna drink? All right. So next we're gonna try this drink. James, straws.
Straws. Yeah. Coming.
Hurry. Did you just fart?
No.
Yeah, you did. Alright, y'all, so the camera had cut out, but we're back. Okay. So we got this drink, so I told my other brother, let's get some straws. So this is 4 Seasons Juice Nectar.
You got straws?
Yeah, we got straws. These are plastic straws because we don't care about the turtles. I'm just playing. We care about the turtles. Don't dislike the video. But like, You know, it's like we recycle our straws, right? We recycle the straws, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna try this. It said to shake it. I shook it like off camera, but whatever. Okay, I'm scared because everything else been nasty. Yo, this is actually good.
Don't take all of it.
Woo. Put your straw in me. Okay, bro, what are you talking about? Don't drink all of it. Look at you.
That's good. Have it
No. Saving that for later.
for you?
I say you can do it off camera. Alright, so right here we got chippy barbecue flavored corn chips. So I'm guessing it's like barbecue flavored Fritos. Like this their version of Fritos.
Oh, I like them.
Look, there's like a little joke thing on the back, but you can't read it because it's in a different language.
Trent, you know they have those at school.
Okay. Oh. This don't smell like no barbecue. Yeah, these are like Fritos. Look. All right, y'all ready? I mean, you ready?
Oh, shit.
Oh, that drink was smacked. I mean, these are okay. They taste like Fritos. I'm rating these smack.
Whack. And the soda smack.
That wasn't soda. It was juice nectar. These are smack. I don't know, you something wrong with your taste buds, boy. Why is it back in the box? Get that out of here. Alright. Next we got pipe box. I said bops. We got pipe bites. It's like a little churro with white chocolate inside. Okay. Ready? You know, Jaden, I can't wait to get famous. Like, I can't wait. I can't wait to wake up and then entertain my 1 million subscribers. It's not nasty. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It tastes like rotten milk again. What is wrong? They need to stop.
Oh, no.
They need to stop. That tastes like rotten milk.
Okay, so next
Okay, our last thing is
No.
Cloud9. No. Okay, our next thing, Cloud9 Classic Snickers looking thing. I'm scared to try this. Cause what if it tastes like rotten milk again? They need to stop with that rotten milk. That's so disgusting. Oh my. Okay. Yeah, look at this. Messy. This looks like a Filipino.
Don't smell it.
Well, it's fine. Okay, y'all ready? I mean, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I mean, it's okay. It's not as good as a Snickers bar, but it's okay. Whack. Just cause like, I expected it to be better. So it's whack. What you getting up? No, sit down. You've been spitting everything out. You gonna swallow this, you gonna be a man, boy. Okay. So that is the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. No, boy. You can eat that off camera. It's just some coffee candy. This is gonna be boring because like it just tastes like coffee. Everybody knows what coffee tastes like. It tastes like how it smells. But anywho, the next new video should be out like next week. I know I've been slacking, but you know, whatever. Share this video, please. Peace out.